Alright, now we're going to make a roller chain and spur gear looking like this by the end, hopefully. So we'll see how this goes. Alright, let's start a new model in inches, something like link inner, something like that, in a folder that you can save to. So I'll make a new sketch. This plane is nice for good isometric views later, so we'll select that one and begin with just a circle. Make this 1/8 of an inch. Okay, that's fine. We'll make another one 1/4. So just two circles, just make a line over 1/2 inch. And then we'll make those circles again. 1/8 and 1/4. Okay, we'll make two guidelines here. So get YC to read 0.011. The XC can be anything. Just drag it across. Do it again down here, except minus YC is 0.11. Something like that. Minus 0.11. And XC can be whatever. Just drag it over. And we'll make these reference lines. And also you can just delete this one in the center here. Won't need that anymore. Now we'll make a arc, sort of to make this shape inside these links. So just zoom in here and pick a spot on this circle that's close to but not really up there by that reference line, otherwise it might snap to the other one and get confused. So we'll just make sure that red and black diamond is sitting on our circle, and we'll select the point on the curve. Just come over here and do the same thing on this one, and then just get this to be into this position and have the nice tangent circles shown up there, so you have a nice position here. So that'll be that upper shape. And do the same thing down here with our arc. Okay, there to here. And same thing, get it to lock in there. There's our link shape. We will trim this out inside, and should be good to go with that. Okay, we'll finish that sketch. Extrude this. Extrude it to 1/32. Okay. Here's our link, and we'll do an edge blend just to make the edges more rounded and nice, 1/64. Select the edges. It should automatically just guess the whole edge for you, and select the top and bottom edges, and then you get that rounded edge on that link. Okay, now we will pattern this to make a second one. Here, I'll just select that feature. A linear pattern is fine. Vector will be in the direction parallel or perpendicular to this large face, so we'll pick this arrow. Let's go the other direction. Count will be the total number after we're done, so this counts as 1 and the next one will count as 2, and we want that to be 7/32 away. And that will appear there. It didn't copy over our edge blend, so we'll just make that again. Edge blend, same value. Top edge, lower edge, and okay. Alright, now we need a reference line here so that we can, we'll need it later for constraining. So we'll select this. No. Which one do we want? We want this one here. So we'll select that. Global XY plane. Okay, and we'll just draw a line from this very center point, and we'll bring it over to the center of this other circle here. Convert that to reference, and then drop a point on the midpoint of that, wherever that happens to be here. Okay, and we'll do the same line over here to center point here. Sometimes if you select the circle first, then it will let you pick the center point much easier. Oops. I actually want the farther one. So there we go. Convert to reference and midpoint. Yeah. Okay, so now I've got our outer link and our reference guides. I call this link inner. Actually, this should be outer. Oh well. That should be it for this one. Okay, so that's the outer. Let's do the real inner this time. Okay. So this time we're just going to use that same, let's see if I can, where is that? So we just made this outer link essentially, these two, and now we're going to make this inner one, so it's just spaced a little less. It's the same shape and the same thing, but it's a little bit closer together. So we should be able to just edit this pattern. So same thing, but we'll bring it down to 5:30 seconds instead of 7:30 seconds. Now I'll just squish that in together a little bit more, and that will be our real inner link. Yeah, that looks fine. Okay. Okay, now we'll make the pin, the roller guide that goes in between these holes to connect all this together. So that will be just a new model. Pin is fine. Same folder. Need a unique file name, apparently. Okay, so this is just going to be let's see. Should I try with this? I think that face will be easier. Alright, so we'll just do circle 1/8 again. Do a circle 1/4. That's good for the sketch. We'll extrude the inner circle. So we'll just change this to single curve. We'll extrude the inner circle to 1/4. Let's see how that looks. That looks right. Okay, and then we'll extrude this outer one. We'll start at, what do I want? 1/16, I think. And then we'll go up 1/8. That doesn't look right. Let's do 1/4. Nope. Alright. Okay, right, yeah, this is the ending distance, not the extrude distance, essentially. So it always starts at your reference. This is just where it starts, and this is just where it ends, so we do want 3/16 here. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that looks right. That should be good for our first few parts.